Hey guys, so we took the morning off and we went to the pool and we slept in and we had Mickey waffles and Robbie had an awesome burrito bowl thing.
I'm mad at you, I don't want to do it.
He's a little upset right now because I don't want to put my bride ears on. I have them right here with me. But I don't want to put them on yet because my hair is still wet and I don't want a big dent in my hair. So Robbie's wearing his groom ears and he's feeling a little self-conscious right now. But we're about to catch the bus because we have a fast pass for Frozen Ever After at Epcot. And then we're going to finish eating around the world today and doing our Remy stickers. So what do you think?
Mixed feelings. It was a fun ride. I miss Maelstrom.
Okay, so we're in our bride and groom ears at Robbie's insistence. And we just started Frozen for the first time. It was really, I've never ridden Maelstrom, but the ride itself was really jerky, like going up a hill and then coming back down. And I didn't expect that. So I was kind of surprised that they didn't like smooth it out a bit more when they redid it for Frozen. But that might be part of the charm that they kept. What did you?
I liked it. It was all right. Yeah. So we're going into the gift shop now. So we'll see you later.
No, you're coming with us to the gift shop. We're going shopping in the summer.
This is your photo, wherever it's at.
I'm tripping on flat ground again. These are so cute. I wish they make them in like adult size. Sven! I think they need a Sven stuffed animal with like a retractable tongue that you can like stick to things. That would be hilarious. All the frozen things. Let it go. Oh, traffic jam. So this is kind of cute. I kind of like that. So, speaking of all the Christmas stuff, they took all of the Halloween stuff out of our resort gift shop overnight and replaced it with Christmas stuff. So we were planning on buying a candy bowl, like for trick-or-treating, for giving out candy with Mickey in it, but we didn't get to because they took it away because we thought that it would be here through the end of the week, because today I think is the 20th. So they're already prepping for Halloween on October 20th, which I understand because they start Halloween parties pretty early. But now is the time where I say goodbye so I can cover myself in the perfume. Whoa, cool. This stuff is the best. So we're in China and we got the black pepper shrimp with garlic noodles and the spicy Szechuan chicken.
It's pretty good stuff, actually.
And Robbie got a Kung Fu Punch for us to share.
And there's a line, in case you didn't know, we had to stand in.
But apparently he likes it, so I better dig in before he eats all of it. Okay, so we're eating the butter chicken from Africa. And Robbie really likes it. We're also looking for Remy and kind of failing at it, but it's okay. We're figuring it out. But so far we really like this. We had the Korean beef from South Korea. It was really good too.
Kung Fu Punch and the ginger teeny.
Gingerita from China were really good. We had also pork egg rolls in addition to the stuff we showed you earlier. But we'll keep you updated on what we're eating. We are now eating on top of a trash can in Germany. And we got the Schnecken noodle. I'm close, I think. Okay. And then the bratwurst. And then those are the two we ordered. And then we got up to the window and Robbie was like, oh, I forgot to order apple strudel. And so the cast member was like, oh, would you like an apple strudel? And we're like, oh, yeah. And the guy was like, here you go. Congratulations on getting married. So Disneymoon magic. Yay. So now I also found Remy. So I got to add my sticker too. But I will talk to you guys later. Robbie's getting a beer with the Brewers Collection. So yeah, we're hiding in the shade because it's really hot outside right now. But it should cool off here in a couple hours. Alright, I'll let you know how it is. So Robbie got a beer flight from the Brewers Collection. And here's what we got. We have the Pilsner, the Hefeweizen, and the Weizen mix. So I think that they'll all be delicious because they usually are. But there's Robbie.
I love my heritage.
Breeze feels great. It is a beautiful day in Epcot. I just forgot to mention that. Like, it's really hot in the sun, but the breeze is nice. The weather is perfect. There's no like look of rain.
To you and allowing you to eat the rest of that. And I'm gonna finish the broth though.
Okay, I took a bite, but I blame Remy. Spoilers. This is one of my favorite places in the World Showcase. The Carmel Werther shop in Germany. And there's a very long line because everybody else loves it too. Where are we?
We're in America.
What is that?
A lobster roll.
What did we miss?
What?
Voices of Liberty. By like a half an hour, and I'm really sad about it.
if you listen really hard, you can still hear them echoing.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna eat this thing. Did you want any of this?
Yes, I did.
Well, you're not allowed.
Too bad. I'm gonna make you share.
Lobster sauce, lobster roll.
Are you happy
Happy as a lobster clam.
with his German beer?
You know, we Germans and
How NATO of you.
that was the worst deal. No, that was NAFTA, my bad.
Yeah, NATO and NAFTA. Two different things.
You know what? Put the camera down and eat a bite, or I'm gonna eat the rest of this. You're gonna have to go.
Okay, I gotta go. Bye. We found this nice little quiet corner up here, except for Birdman. He's gonna come and get us. But this table back here is really awesome. This is my new favorite. It's like a giant picnic table, like awesome for backyard. And we're eating chocolate mochi, and it's so yummy.
Wait, these are emojis?
Mochi. M-O-C-H-I. Mochi.
So, is it good?
Yeah, it's very good. I like it a lot.
She didn't share with me. She ate all 6 pieces.
That's a lie. Because that would be so sick.
She's like, you know what? I'll share Robbie. I'm just gonna eat them all.
I should have done that though, because you were a jerk to me in the store. Because I wanted to look at the Hello Kitty stuff, and you were like, no, you don't need this crap. Hello Kitty's stupid.
She is stupid.
And I said, you're stupid.
But I'm enjoying a delicious Sapporo. It's beer. It tastes like beer. And it's delicious like beer. Hallie's actually playing the drums right now, and you just can't see.
Hey guys, so I'm in France, and we've been food and whining it, and we started, since the last time I saw you, we got some stuff from Belgium. I really liked the beer braised beef and the smoked Gouda mashed potatoes. I was not impressed with the waffle. I thought it was a little bit soggy. The whipped cream had been sitting on it a while. In Brazil, we had the crispy pork belly and a caparina, which if you've never had a caparina, you have to get a caparina because it's delicious. It's made with cachaça, which is like a liquor that they make in Brazil, I guess. I'm not sure. But whatever it is, it's good. We also went to the patisserie and I got a chocolate croissant for breakfast tomorrow. Robbie got a chocolate eclair.
Alright, so you're ready to head to Italy?
Yeah, we got Italy dinner reservations at Via Napoli, which I don't even know how we're gonna eat because we've been eating all afternoon.
We're gonna just get calamari.
And we have our Remy's. No, we have to get a pizza. It's like a requirement that we get pizza.
Okay. So we still need UK, Canada, Norway, and Mexico.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright, let's do it.
Hey guys, I'm using my cell phone right now to supplement some light, but as you can see, Spaceship Earth is behind me. We had a really fun night at Epcot, tried to eat around the world. We almost made it. We still have a little bit there at the very front to do between Canada and Mexico, well, Canada and Norway, but other than that, it's been really fun. And I'm feeling really sad tonight because it's Thursday night, we go home on Sunday night, and I feel like our vacation is like almost over, and I just want to stay at Disney forever because it's been awesome. We had a really fun day at the pool this morning, and I think tomorrow we're gonna get up early, hit the Magic Kingdom, then maybe go to Typhoon Lagoon for a couple hours, and then head over to Hollywood Studios for the evening. We're gonna do Brown Derby and see the Star Wars fireworks show. So it'll be a good Friday. But I will talk to you guys later.